Kiddy's Stream.
G'day, kids! I'm Kenny the Kangaroo. I'm ready to kick off an amazing adventure with the letter K.
Look, here's the big K and the little K. They are both ready to make their important sound, the kicking sound.
The letter K says hash. It's a quick, short sound. Try it. Hash K, ha. Look at that high-flying kite. Kite starts with K. Say it with me, kite.
What's this to open? It's a KKK key. Key also starts with K. Let's say key.
Shh! Don't wake the koala. Koala starts with K too. Try saying koala.
Kudos! We saw the cruckeat, the crucky, and the cruck koala. They all have the kicking K sound.